ECP1000 is a control panel designed in compliance with EN 54 2 and 4 EN 120941 standards. It serves as a combined fire alarm and gas fire suppression control panel, utilizing a new generation high-speed microprocessor. It features a 4.3-inch color LCD screen for user interface, facilitating system maintenance with the capability to import or export system configuration files and historical data via USB drive. It supports networking with multiple control panels and offers the option for either CAN or Ethernet connectivity. The system includes a historical data logging function capable of storing up to 10,000 records for events such as historical fire alarms, faults, and operations. Optional modules are available, including a host networking module and intelligent ring bus module. The gas extinguishing section terminal wiring diagram is as follows. This is an overview of the gas release process on our gas control panel, which includes operations such as gas release triggered by smoke and temperature alarms, manual gas release, and system reset. The ECP1000 is divided into two main sections, the gas extinguishing zone and the fire alarm zone. The left one is the network card, and the right one is the terminal board. The main control board, with the area circled in red, represents the loop board. The fire alarm zone is directly connected to the loop board terminals. Software operation section. Page login. Press login button on the panel or asterisk button. Then enter the password. After that, press Tab button to switch to OK button. Press OK button to log in. Select the loop. Press the OK button to enter the loop interface. The loop interface includes type detector module, convention setup, and remote panel options. Select Type. Press the OK button to enter the type interface. You can modify the loop type, either Class A ring loop or Class B tree loop. You can also define new fire alarm and feedback types as needed. Select Detector module. Press the OK button to enter the detector module interface. This is where you can register and enroll bus type detectors and modules. You can add the registered detectors to the gas discharge area to participate in the gas discharge process. Alternatively, you can directly set them to other zones for use as alarm zones. You can create a maximum of 16 zones. Select Convention Setup. Press the OK button to enter the Convention Setup interface. Terminal board 1 is the control panel's default and cannot be deleted or unregistered. Select Remote Panel. Press the OK button to enter the Remote Panel interface. If the system is equipped with a remote status panel, it needs to be registered in the configuration interface. You can select Add, Register, or Delete operations using the arrow key and the tab key. The address in the configuration interface corresponds to the address of the remote status panel. The control panel will synchronize fault, inhibit, fire alarm, countdown, and other information to be displayed on the remote status panel. At the same time, some information and operations on the remote status panel will also be synchronized to the control panel. You can connect a maximum of 7 remote panels. Select CNE, press the OK button to enter the CNE interface. Bus-type devices need to set linkage startup conditions. You can choose to set system linkage and zone linkage to achieve the purpose of starting fire equipment. Select Extinguish Setup. Press the OK button to enter the Gas Extinguish Setup interface. This interface is used for configuring parameters related to gas discharge, including pre-discharge time, solenoid valve drive time, and automatic discharge conditions. Use the Tab key and arrow key to select configuration items. In configuration items with drop-down menus, press the OK key to expand the drop-down content. Manual discharge delay. This setting determines the countdown time for manual gas discharge, ranging from 0 to 60 seconds. Press the Tab key to switch to automatic discharge delay, and press the OK button to expand the drop-down menu. Automatic discharge delay. This setting determines the pre-discharge countdown time for automatic discharge, ranging from 0 to 60 seconds. Press the Tab key to switch to automatic discharge activation, and press the OK button to expand the drop-down menu. Automatic discharge activation conditions. In this setting, you specify the device types that trigger automatic discharge. You can select 2 or more device types. And when a fire alarm is reported with at least 2 of the specified device types, the system will automatically initiate the discharge process. To preview the conditions you've set, there is a preview window available. Simply move the focus to the preview window and use the up and down arrow key to view the configured conditions. Press the Tab key to switch to Release Confirmation method, and press the OK button to expand the drop-down menu. Release Confirmation method. This setting determines how the initiation of gas discharge is detected. If configured as PF, the system will illuminate the extinguishment released indicator only when it receives a pressure feedback signal after the output from the existing terminal. If configured as none, the extinguishment released indicator will be lit directly after the output from the existing terminal, regardless of whether a pressure feedback signal is received or not. Press Tab key to switch to Extend Duration Time interface. Extend Duration Time. This setting determines the output duration of the existing terminal, with options ranging from 1 to 600 seconds.